In 2025, the F-35C stands at the center of modern naval aviation, redefining how a fighter jet should think, fly, and fight. Built for aircraft carriers, this is the variant designed to take on the heaviest challenges in the most demanding environments. Today on EVN Ride, we explore the power, intelligence, and future dominance of the 2025 F-35C, the fighter that is quietly reshaping the balance of power in the skies and seas. The F-35C's story begins with the simple idea that the next generation of warfare demands more than speed and weapons. It demands a jet that can see without being seen, strike without being stopped, and communicate without being intercepted. That's exactly where the 2025 upgrades push this jet into a completely new league. The aircraft's stealth coating, advanced avionics, and improved IR sensors have been enhanced to face the most advanced radar systems used by near-peer adversaries. The jet has become harder to track, harder to lock, and almost impossible to outrun. One of the critical features in the 2025 F-35C upgrade package is its improved engine performance. The Pratt & Whitney F135 engine now supports higher thrust output and better thermal management to handle advanced weapons and next-generation electronics. This isn't just about going faster, it's about sustaining high-energy combat for longer periods. Whether catapulted from an aircraft carrier or returning with low fuel, the F-35C's engine gives pilots a sense of reliability that few jets in the world can match. The jet's wings are larger than the F-35A and F-35B variants, giving it exceptional lift and long-distance flying capability. For carrier operations, these wings are strengthened to absorb shock during harsh landings. In 2025, the landing gear and tailhook received boosted durability and smoother guidance systems, making deck operations safer and more efficient. Navy pilots often say that landing on a moving ship at night in rough seas is one of the toughest tasks in aviation. The 2025 F-35C makes that task slightly less terrifying with improved stability algorithms and advanced glide path technology. Another area where the 2025 F-35C truly stands out is data dominance. The jet carries some of the most powerful sensors ever placed in a fighter aircraft. The distributed aperture system gives the pilot a complete sphere of awareness around the jet, every angle, every threat, every incoming missile. The helmet-mounted display streams all this data in real time, effectively giving pilots a superhuman level of perception. In combat, seeing a threat a few seconds earlier can be the difference between victory and defeat. The F-35C ensures those seconds are always on your side. But the real revolution lies in how the jet communicates. The 2025 upgrades allow the F-35C to serve as a flying command center. It can detect enemy aircraft, submarines, missile launchers, and warships, then send that data to friendly forces instantly. Destroyers, submarines, drones, and ground units all benefit from the jet's intelligence. In joint operations, the F-35C can coordinate stealth strikes, detect early threats, and guide unmanned swarms, making the aircraft far more than a fighter. It becomes the brain of the battlefield. When it comes to firepower, the 2025 F-35C brings a mix of stealth precision and raw force. Its internal weapon bay can carry advanced air-to-air missiles, long-range standoff weapons, and precision-guided bombs. For more dangerous missions where stealth is less important, the jet can load up external pylons for massive strike capability. The new generation AIM-260 missile, which entered service around 2025, gives the F-35C unmatched long-range engagement power, allowing it to defeat enemy fighters before they even get close. One of the most impressive changes in the 2025 variant is its ability to work closely with drones. The F-35C can send commands, share data, and control unmanned fighter escorts. These UAVs can act as shields, scouts, or even extra firepower. The future of warfare is man-machine teaming, and the F-35C is built perfectly for that transition. On the deck of a U.S. Navy aircraft carrier, the jet looks like a silent beast waiting for the storm. Its large wings fold upward to save space, and its robust landing gear stands ready for brutal deck operations. When launched from the electromagnetic catapult system, the F-35C accelerates with incredible force, rising into the sky with unmatched grace. This moment captures the essence of American naval power: quiet, controlled, and overwhelmingly capable. For nations watching global tensions rise, the 2025 F-35C